Okay, the next topic is multiplexing and demultiplexing in the TCP/IP. Basically, the TCP/IP protocol having the different protocols are being used for the same layer. Therefore, the multiplexing is needed at the source and demultiplexing is needed at the destination side. Means basically, the MUX is used for in the source side. Means whenever we have to send the data, we have to MUX that the particular content, and the demultiplexing is done at the destination side. So basically, the multiplexing is the process of combining the two or more data streams into the single physical connection. So this port number allow TCP/IP to set up the number of virtual connections over the physical connections. Basically, the multiplexing is process of combining the two or more data streams. Whenever we have to combine it into the single unit, and then we have to transmit over the network. So this is the process of multiplexing. First, we consider the application layer. There is n number of protocol is available. For example, FTP protocol and HTTP protocol, then DNS server, then we have to SMMP protocol. Then we have to combine that particular protocol and form the TCP. Again, we have to combine both the protocol form and TCP. Then we have to combine the protocol which is considered as a IP. Means application layer having the n number of protocol. In the transport layer, we have to combine the above two protocols and we have to create a one. Means we have to combine the two data stream into the single one. Again, we have to combine above two streams into the single one into the next layer. So basically, it is the process of multiplexing which is shown in particular figure. So the protocol at a one layer TCP/IP can be encapsulated a packet one time. So we have to consider the one time one packet at a time. So for the several protocol corresponding to the next layer, which is the higher layer in the TCP/IP protocol suite. So this is the process of multiplexing. So basically, the multiplexing is a technique which is used to combine and send the multiple data streams over the single media. Means we have to combine the n number of data streams into the single one and we have to transmit over the network. This is the concept of multiplexing. Next one is a demultiplexing. Basically, the demultiplexing is achieved by using the device which is called as a demultiplexer. So we also call as a demux. So through which we have to consider the demultiplexing, which basically it's available at the receiver end. Means at the destination side, the demultiplexer is available. Basically, the demultiplexer separates the signal into their components. Means one input and the n number of output. This is the combination of one input and we have to generate the n number of output at the destination side. This is the demultiplexing. Basically, demultiplexing is the opposite process of this. If the particular destination side receives the particular IP information, or we have to consider as a particular single data stream, then he converted into the two data streams, which is TCP. Again, the single stream is converted again into the n number of streams. Means we have to rework on the particular. Means he separates the particular packets at a time. So in the process of demultiplexing, the protocol will decapsulate and delivers the packet one at a time to the several protocol belonging to the next higher layer in the TCP/IP protocol suite. So basically, this is the concept of demultiplexing. Basically, the difference of multiplexing and demultiplexing is the multiplexer is a combination of or combinational circuit that provides a single output but accept the multiple data inputs. But in demultiplexing, it is a combination circuit that takes the single input but generates, or but that input can be a dedicated to the multiple outputs lines. Means in multiplexing, we have to combine the n number of input into the single channel or single data stream. And in demultiplexing, the input is single but generates the n number of outputs. This is the concept of multiplexing and demultiplexing in the TCP/IP protocol suite.